Pangalawa ang Pilipinas sa may pinakamaraming kaso ng online na pang-abuso.
Nagurian na ngayon ang Pilipinas bilang bullying capital of the world.
Isang grade 10 student ang pinagbubugbog sa isang paaralan sa Isabela City, Basilan.
Ang mitya ng krimen, madalas na pambubuli umano ng biktima.
Every day, many students feel invisible, judged, or even hurt. This is bullying. Bullying isn't just joking around. It leaves scars in the mind, the heart, and sometimes.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Orlando Zona. My name is Isel Kapuyan. What is bullying?
Bullying is repeated behavior that intentionally harm or intimidates others, often through physical, verbal, or social means.
What are some common types of bullying?
Common types include physical, verbal, social, relational, and cyberbullying.
Why do people bully others?
But often bullies seek power, control, or attention. Sometimes they may be struggling with their own issues.
How can bullying affect victims?
Bullying can lead to emotional distress, anxiety, depression, and decreased self-esteem. In some cases, it may even lead to suicidal thoughts.
What can parents and teachers do to prevent bullying?
They can create a supportive environment, encourage empathy, monitor behavior, and implement anti-bullying policies.
How can someone being bullied get help?
They can talk to a trusted adult, report incidents which lack police online, and seek support from friends or counseling service.
Ako na!